Let's see how we create an interface between Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Business Central in a very simple Power Automate flow. Also, we will understand here how to trigger a flow when a record is updated. This flow is triggered when a row is added in Dynamics and selected columns are name and state code. And it is also there is a filter, state code equals 0, account number is not null, and TNV ERP ID is null. ID is an attribute that when we create the record in Business Central, after that we update the record, we update the customer number back in Dynamics so we can synchronize between the account in Dynamics and Business Central again and again. In the flow trigger, the filter decides on which records the flow will run, and in selected columns, choose on which attribute changes the flow will run. Let's see, for example, if I want the flow to run on changing account number. For example, here, if I'm changing the account number to 555, will it run? Now I have 4 runs, 2 of them succeeded. Let me update the account number and save it. And if I go to the flow history, it remains only 4 runs. That means the flow didn't run. Now let's add the account number attribute to the trigger columns. Here it will be state code, comma, account number, and save it. Now let me update the account number to, let's say, like that, 5555. Let's see if the flow ran this time. Now we see it is running. That means when we added the account number to the trigger, the flow is running. I'll see here's the account in Business Central. Here is a new account, 103. And when I go back to Dynamics in the ERP ID, if I refresh it, the ERP number is 103. A pro tip, don't forget to make this attribute read-only so people will not change it by mistake. This is an attribute that the flow updates only, and from now on we can synchronize between the account in Dynamics to the account on Business Central.